Welcome to AuthorPoint training. First, you will need to install AuthorPoint. After installing AuthorPoint, open the PowerPoint program. You will see the AuthorPoint menu and the AuthorPoint toolbar displayed in the PowerPoint window. If the toolbar is not displayed, right-click in the toolbar region and check against AuthorGen to display the AuthorPoint toolbar. The AuthorPoint toolbar should now be visible. The AuthorPoint menu or toolbar gives you access to the entire feature set of AuthorPoint. Open the PowerPoint presentation that you wish to capture through AuthorPoint. You must save the presentation before it can be captured. Next, launch AuthorPoint. You can do this by either clicking on the icon marked Launch AuthorPoint in the AuthorPoint toolbar, or go to the AuthorPoint menu and select Launch AuthorPoint. The Launch AuthorPoint window will open. Enter the title of the presentation as you want it displayed in the final output. The Presentation Folder Name field is the folder name all the content files will be saved under. The Save Presentation At field displays the location where your presentation will be saved. You can choose to leave this as the default setting, or you may change the location by clicking on the button marked Browse and selecting the folder where you would like to save your presentation. For the audio-video capture options, you can either select to capture live audio-video during the presentation, or you can use a pre-recorded audio-video file from your computer. If you select the Capture Live option, you will then choose the audio-video devices that you will use in order to capture the audio and the video. If you select the pre-recorded option, you will then need to select the audio-video file you wish to use. Before building the presentation through AuthorPoint, the Test Microphone function allows you to confirm a fine recording of your voice. The VU meter is displayed that shows the level of your microphone's receptivity. After checking the microphone, click on the button marked Launch AuthorPoint to move to the screen where you will begin capturing your audio-video recording. The next screen you will see is the PowerPoint slide presentation view, with the AuthorPoint dashboard at the top. Just click on the red button to start recording. When the video appears in the left box of the capture window, and the red button starts blinking, your presentation is currently being recorded. The capture window provides you with forward and back navigation buttons, so that you can easily switch to the next or to previous slides. If you select Show Speaker Notes While Capturing in the launch window, the speaker notes will be displayed in the center box for you to use as a teleprompter while you record. You can stop or pause the recording process at any time with the controls on the top bar. You can also annotate on your slides by clicking on the annotation tool and then using any mouse device to draw or write with. You can select the color of your annotation from the color palette. Please note the annotations will only be displayed in the final flash output. The pointer tool helps you call the attention of the viewers to a specific point on the screen. Clicking the icon will display the pointer tool on your screen. Press and hold down the left mouse button, dragging the pointer to move it anywhere on the screen. When you click the square black stop button, the capture process will conclude. If you are using Microsoft PowerPoint 2003, it will display a message asking you to either keep or discard the annotation. They have been captured and will be displayed in your final output. If you do not discard them, they will be embedded in your PowerPoint presentation file. Once the capture process is complete, the Complete Progress message box will open. You can click on the button marked Open CM to open Content Manager and build your presentation. The Content Manager software in AuthorPoint is included to enable you to manage the information for each of your presentations captured through AuthorPoint. Content Manager lets you build your presentations in multiple formats. It includes the ability to distribute your presentation to a server, CD/DVD, flash drives, portable hard drives, or to zip the presentation for later distribution. In AuthorPoint, you have a new option in Content Manager which enables you to package your Flash presentations to SCORM. This helps you to publish your AuthorPoint presentations to any LMS that complies with SCORM specifications. The Content Manager screen is divided into two sections. The Presentation List section displays the list of presentations captured by AuthorPoint. The most recently captured presentation is on top and will be highlighted by default. The Project Details window is further divided into two subsections. The lower left portion of the window displays general information about the highlighted presentation file. In the lower right portion of the window, you will see a thumbnail view of each slide in the highlighted presentation. Content Manager enables you to build a presentation captured through AuthorPoint to Windows Media Format, Flash Format for Pocket PC, and Real Media Format. All presentations must first be built in order to be viewed. To build a presentation, select the presentation to be built from the main list of presentations. Go to the Build menu and select Build Options. The Build window opens up, providing the list of possible output formats available. Selecting the option marked Audio Only Presentation allows you to build an audio-only presentation by isolating the audio from a pre-recorded audio-video file. Select your preferred media setting, which suits the internet connection speed of your target audience for the presentation. You can select the default option if you wish to use the media settings in which the presentation was initially captured. You can start with the process of building your presentation right away, or you can edit the presentation details. As you are using AuthorPoint for the first time, the Presentation Details field is empty. It is recommended that you enter the basic presentation details by clicking on the button marked Edit Presentation Details. The Presentation Details window opens up. The left side of the window displays different tabs with specific information about your presentation. Click on these tabs to enter the desired details. Once you have finished entering the presentation details, click on the button marked OK. The information that you enter here is now saved and will be included in your final output. The Build window opens up. To begin building your presentation, click on the button marked Start with the Build. The system starts building the presentation. The progress bar at the bottom shows the status of the build process. You can always cancel the process by clicking on Cancel. Once the presentation has been successfully built, it will be displayed in the list of presentations, the most recently built being on top. To view a presentation built through the Build menu, you can double-click in its respective row. Remember that playing a presentation in Flash requires that you have Flash Player 8.0 or higher installed on your system. The all-new AuthorPoint player opens up running your presentation. You can easily view your presentation as it will be seen in the final output. We at AuthorGen are determined to deliver tools that are elegantly easy to learn and use. We provide AuthorPoint help and how to use AuthorPoint tutorials to assist you. Please check our website for more details at www.authorgen.com. We thank you for taking this time with us and AuthorPoint. As with any new software, the best way to learn it is to jump right in and begin using it. Once you are comfortable working with it, you will be able to explore it further to make your presentations more and more enriching for your audiences.